This tutorial will show you how to create and adjust lighting channels in IRender SU. Lighting channels can be a big help in organizing and independently adjusting lights in your model, giving you closer control over the quality and impact of your renderings. For this demonstration, I've placed 3 ceiling lights in my model, one with a red lamp, one blue, and one green. The colors are to help distinguish between the lights for the purposes of the demonstration. When I render the model with these lights, you can see the existing lighting channels in the left pane of the rendering window. There is always a sky, sun, and default channel, and these cannot be deleted nor their descriptions changed. While you can type over the name and it will reflect the change, once you have shut the rendering window, the next time you render, it will have reverted back to the original name. At this point, the 3 lights I placed were automatically included in the default lighting channel. I'm going to show you how to create a lighting channel and assign a light to it when editing a light, and I'll also show you how to create a channel in the preview rendering window. I'm going to create a channel for the red light through our Edit Lamp feature. Right-click on the light, scroll down to the IRender SU entry, then move across to and click on the Edit Lamp option. At this point, if there are existing channels, I can see those by clicking on the channel drop-down. To create a new channel, I highlight whatever's displayed in the channel field, then type my channel name. This creates a new channel and does not delete the channel you highlighted and typed over. After you type the channel name, click OK. Now when I render my scene, I see a new channel called Red. I'm also going to create separate channels for the green light and the blue light. I now have individual control over each of the lights I've placed. Now when I'm rendering, I can turn the lights on or off, or I can adjust their brightness individually. I can also move lights between existing channels. If I click on the light I want to move through the Edit Lamp feature, I can simply click on the channel drop-down, click on the channel in which I now want to place the light, and click OK. The lights in this channel are now grouped together, and any changes I make to the channel will affect them both the same. If I do a preview rendering, there is an Add New Channel button and a Delete Channel button above the listing. You cannot delete the sky, sun, or default channels. If you add a channel, you can only change the name of the channel while in the rendering window. You would need to place a light or lights while in your model. You can also add or delete a channel by right-clicking on the entry you want to delete, then clicking Remove. These capabilities are not available in the final rendering window. You can also delete unused channels via the Query Lights in Model dialog, accessed via the toolbar. Simply click on the Options button, then click the Delete Unused Channels button on the resulting dialog. You can see that the unused channels are now no longer listed. To change the brightness of a channel while rendering, you can click in the Value field to the right of the name and either type in a value or use the up-down buttons. Just note that there is no correlation between the intensity value displayed versus the lumens value available when using the Edit Lamp feature in your model. To review, you should now be able to create light channels and assign lights to those channels and make adjustments, providing you with an enhanced level of control that will improve the quality of your renderings.